I love oil painting. It's relaxing and fun, and the paint stays where you put it. And painting is such a great way to relieve stress and relax, even if you only have half an hour to play with your paints. Well, hello. My name is Sheila Finch. I'm a contemporary fine artist living and working on the coast of Northern California. I have over 40 years of experience as a painter, and my paintings and prints are collected all over the world. In this class, I want to get you started in oil painting just as quickly as possible using best practices. And I promise I'll keep everything really simple. We'll review the basics of the supplies you'll need to get started in oil painting. I'll also share my favorite tips for keeping your supply costs down while you're learning to paint. We'll make a color wheel and talk about how it's used as a tool. And then practice mixing colors by matching color chips. I review with you the steps for making a painting and how to tame negative thoughts in the segment called Taming the Monkey Mind. At last, I'll share a couple painting demos so you can look over my shoulder and watch me paint. Your class project is to create a simple landscape painting from one of your favorite photos or from the photos and video I supply in resources. By the end of this class, you'll be able to jump in confidently and start having fun creating your own oil paintings. So let's get started.